Come explore my creative art studio. Every artist needs a dedicated space to store their messy supplies and have plenty of room to create. Today, I'm so excited to give you a tour of my art studio. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Vickie, and welcome to my art channel. I recently set up a space dedicated solely to art creation. It's a place that I come to feel inspired, to let my creative juices flow. I love the feeling of being surrounded by all my art supplies, projects, and gallery wall. No matter how big or small your art studio is, it's a place of inspiration and motivation. I find that when I'm creating art, it helps me to relax and just be in the moment. Whether I'm drawing or painting, I can focus on the task at hand and let go of the worries of the day. It can really be rewarding when I finish a project and admire the results. Let's take a look at different elements that inspire my art space. Having easy access to quick reference materials such as color charts, templates, and other reminders helps enormously when it comes to art, as it saves time and allows an artist to focus on the creative process. With these tools, it's easier to find important information quickly and stay inspired to create great works of art. As I'm growing my art channel and adding color to my journey, please subscribe, leave a comment, share, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Many artists can relate to the frustration of an unorganized workspace and not having access to the tools one needs in order to create. An artist's cart is great with easy access to all the materials needed to paint, from metal bars to attach the paint tubes, a glass palette, spray bottles with water, alcohol, and a palette cleaner. See how easy it is to stay organized and to have all the necessary tools for art creation in one place. Have you had a creative thought? But those thoughts can quickly become reality if you have the right setup. Sources such as sketchbooks, graphite, color pencils, to inspirational sources, one thoughts can be discovered and put in motion. I had a desire to paint the human figure with the love of Native Americans, and discovering I'm a descendant of the Cherokee Nation. I began to attend powwows, sacred social gatherings, where my inner soul was stirred by the beat of the drums and the flowing colors of the traditional regalia, which had connections to the past. My eyes were mesmerized and my spirit moved as I knew the journey I was about to embark on.